just playing with the camera. Decided to use my little camera thing there. I cleaned my entire bench. So here, I'll show you real quick. Clean the bench, see? Nice and clean. There's no 3-ton arbor press I put over there. Playing around angles. Messing around with like tripod. See? My big geeky dookie tripod. What else? Not much. It's still a bit. Today it's -4 out today. It's actually cold up. It's actually not cold outside. It's just when you go from like +8 to then like -1, then -4, and tomorrow's supposed to be -6. It's like your body's like, yeah, it's nice and warm, but then you're like, oh shit. If it was this weather in January after it was -20, this would feel like summer. But you get used to it. It was like, it's nice and like spring's coming, and like fuck whatever. So yeah, I'm just in here freezing. I'm not freezing, I'm just chilly. So I finished cleaning the bench. Figured I'd make a few videos. Chat with my users. Because, you know, I like to chat with my users. And, users? No, not users. There we go. I'm just playing with, chat with the users. Chat with the viewers. You are the viewers. Word vomit. So yeah. So now I have one grinder, a grinder, a grinder, a 3-ton press, unused, was that a Atoll? I think, no, not Atoll vise. An unused vise, another bench grinder, an Evaporust bucket, which was a parts washer, but I think I'm going to turn it back into a parts washer because I think a 5-gallon pail is a little better because I really want more Vaporust. I'm going to change that to a parts washer again. I'm going to take it out and move it somewhere else. And that's pretty much it. I still have this vise attached to the bench. I have a nut cracker attached here because we're gonna do a video cracking nuts, not those kind, actual nuts with like almonds and stuff. So stay tuned. Don't forget to click the subscribe, and if you want to click the little bell or whatever's over here, I guess I don't care. I hate the bell. It's annoying. I like going discovering what new videos you have. If you have a channel that you what do you call it? Do stuff like this, please share and subscribe. Or share, let me know. I'll gladly go join your channel. I like watching other stuff. And that's it. As soon as it gets, it's supposed to be like +9 or 10 next week. So if it gets really nice, I'm going to be taking, the reason why I cleaned the bench off is I'm going to be attaching legs to this. 16 inches high. I'm going to bolt them on the surfboard I have over there, the bench. And then I'm going to put the middle bar in, get it all straightened out. That's it for now. After that, in between, I'll be fixing the hibachi. So anyway, stay tuned, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Toodles.